Welcome to NNK English Academy. Especially, this is the YouTube channel focus on PGTRB English multiple choice questions. Unit 5 Shakespeare's drama non detailed study the work of art measure for measure. We are taken most difficult questions and expected questions as well as the previous year questions we are covered in this video. This is part 1. More than 25 multiple choice questions with the answer we are taken for the fast revision purpose. If you have any comments and queries and valuable information, if you want to share with us, kindly text me nnkenglishacademy@gmail.com. Question number 1. Where is measure for measure set? The options are option A Zurich, option B Vienna, option C Edinburgh, option D England. Where is measure for measure set? The correct answer is option B Vienna. Next question. What does the Duke dress up as to observe the goings on his absence? The options are option A friar, option B a constable, option C an executioner, option D a maid. What does the Duke dress up as to observe the goings on his absence? The correct answer is option A friar. The correct answer is option A friar. Next question. What does Lord Angelo demand from Isabella in exchange for her brother's safety? The options are option A sex, option B the family fortune, option C love, option D a blessing. What does Lord Angelo demand from Isabella in exchange for her brother's safety? The correct answer is option A sex. Next question. Why did Angelo abandon his former lover Mariana? The options are option A she lost her dowry, option B she lost her mind, option C she lost her faith, option D she lost her looks. Why did Angelo abandon his former lover Mariana? The correct answer is option A she lost her dowry. Next question. What does the Duke ask Isabella to do at the end of the play? The options are option A leave Vienna, option B become a nun, option C marry him, option D marry Angelo. What does the Duke ask Isabella to do at the end of the play? The correct answer is option C marry him. Next question. Claudio depends less upon Dash for guidance than his sister Isabella. The options are option A laws, option B religious practices, option C their father's advice, option D answer A and B. Claudio depends less upon Dash for guidance than his sister Isabella. The correct answer is option D, answer A and B, that is laws and religious practice. Next question. What moral failing makes Lord Angelo loathsome? The options are Option A, hypocrisy. Option B, gluttony. Option C, greed. Option D, wrath. What moral fails making Lord Angelo loathsome? The correct answer is option A, hypocrisy. Next question. What vacation does Isabella envision for herself at the beginning of the play? The options are option A, lawyer, option B, governess, option C, nun, option D, princess. What vacation does Isabella envision for herself at the beginning of the play? The correct answer is option C, nun. Next question. What does the Duke grant Lord Angelo in the play first scene? The options are option A, permanent rule over Vienna, option B, a temporary rule over Vienna, option C, a small fortune, option D, his choice of mistress. What does the Duke grant Lord Angelo in the play's first scene? The correct answer is option D, temporary rule over Vienna. Next question. The gentleman that Lucio meets in the streets talk about dash. The options are option A, Angelo rule, option B, peace talk with Hungary, option C, war with Norway, option D, the defunding of schools. The gentleman that Lucio meets in the streets talk about dash. The correct answer is option B, peace talk with Hungary. Next question. What kind of business does Angelo's proclamation target? The options are option A, brothels, option B, bars, option C, gambling houses, option D, again gambling houses. What kind of business does Angelo's proclamation target? The correct answer is option A, brothels. Next question. What does Angelo imprison Claudio? Sorry, why does Angelo imprison Claudio? The options are option A, non marital sex, option B, jaywalking, option C, petty theft, option D, treason. Why does Angelo imprison Claudio? The correct answer is option A, non marital sex. Next question. How does the Duke hope that Angelo will exercise his new power? The options are option A, just like he has, option D, with more strictness, option D, with less strictness, option D, as Angelo sees fit. How does the Duke hope that Angelo will exercise his new power? The correct answer is option D, with more strictness. Next question. What does the Duke ask Friar Thomas for? The options are option A, advice, option B, a blessing, option C, a disguise, option D, a money. What does the Duke ask Friar Thomas for? The correct answer is option C, a disguise. Next question. According to Lucio, what does Angelo plan to do with Claudio? The options are option A, imprison him, option B, free him, option C, execute him, option D, exile him. According to Lucio, what does Angelo plan to do with Claudio? The correct answer is option C, execute him. Next question. When was the measure for measure first printed? The options are option A, 1622, option B 1624, option C 1623, option D 1625. When was the measure for measure first printed? The correct answer is option C. It was printed in the year 1623. Next question. The measure for measure consists of dash scenes. The options are option A 17 scenes, option B 25 scenes, option C 24 scenes, option D 30 scenes. The measure for measure consists of dash scenes. The correct answer is option A 17 scenes. Next question. Who is singing a song in the farmhouse? The options are option A Isabella, option B Juliet, option C Lucio, option D Mariana. Who is singing a song in the farmhouse? The correct answer is option D Mariana. Next question. Who says some rise by sin and some by virtue fall? The options are option A Isabella, option B Juliet, option C Lucio, option D Aeschylus. Who says some rise by sin and some by virtue fall? The correct answer is option D Aeschylus. Next question. In Act 5, who says what is mine is yours and what is yours is mine? It is a famous quotation made by Shakespeare. Okay, what is mine is yours and what is yours is mine. The options are option A Aeschylus, option B Juliet, option C Lucio, option D Duke of Isabella. In Act 5, who says what is mine is yours and what is yours is mine? The correct answer is option D Duke of Isabella. Next question. Who says best men are molded out of faults? The options are option A Claudio, option B Mariana, option C Lucio, option D Duke of Isabella. Who says best men are molded out of faults? The correct answer is option B Mariana. Next question. Measure for measure story consists of dash days. The options are option A 2 days, option B 4 days, option C 6 days, option D 5 days. Measure for measure story consists of dash days. The correct answer is option B 4 days. Next question. Who is the pimp of the story? The options are option A Pompey, option B Lucio, option C Juliet, option D Elbow. Who is the pimp of the story? The correct answer is option A Pompey. Thanks for watching for our YouTube channel NNK English Academy. Kindly to subscribe our channel, like, share and comment. If you want to give valuable suggestion and information, kindly to text me nnkenglishacademy@gmail.com. Thank you.